just like the rules said, you needed to be subscribed to all of the channels to even win whatever channel. If you entered the giveaway on my channel, you had to be subscribed to everyone's channel. So let's try for another winner. I'm just leaving all that info in there. Good luck again. We have Mama Ramirez. And before I get excited, I'm going to go ahead and click on this. I will be back. I got to make sure that she is subscribed to me, that her channel is public. I am right there. And I will be back to make sure she is subscribed to everyone. All right, now we got ourselves a winner. So let's say congratulations to Mama Ramirez. Happy Galentine's Day. What a great collab. Really cheering my heart. Great box. Nice way to refresh for a spring spa day. And yes, the secret word was refresh. So congratulations to Mama Ramirez. Let's give her a big, huge welcome and congratulations on the comments. So keep watching, keep entering, but make sure you follow those rules, okay? And also understand that I will pick another name if you have won a giveaway in the last 30 days. If you've won a giveaway in the last 60 days, that is at my discretion. Take care, you guys, and until the next one, bye.